Hi folks, welcome to my YouTube channel Learn English Grammar Effectively. Happy New Year to all of you. Today we are going to start part 10 in which you will see kinds of adjectives from the same series, the series of parts of speech. So do watch, like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon. Let's get started. So friends, first of all we will see kinds of adjectives. Adjectives of quality, demonstrative adjectives, adjectives of quantity, interrogative adjectives, possessive adjectives, adjectives of comparison, adjectives of number, comparative adjectives, superlative adjectives, predicate adjectives, compound adjectives, proper adjectives, participle adjectives and distributive adjectives. So all these we are going to see one by one. So today in this part 10 we will see first two kinds of adjectives, and that is adjectives of quality and demonstrative adjectives. First of all we will see adjectives of quality. Let's see the definition. Adjectives of quality tell us about the shape, size, color or special quality of the noun. So for that you have to ask what kind and you will get these adjectives of quality. Let's see examples. The hot sun burned our skin. So hot, that shows quality. A huge car stopped outside my house. Huge shows quality. So adjective of quality. We sat in the open veranda and sipped hot tea from blue cup. See here, three adjectives of qualities are given. Open, then hot and blue. Here, veranda, tea and cups. These are nouns. And this open, hot, blue add something to the meaning of these nouns. That is why these are known as adjectives of quality. Open, hot, blue. My brother is kind and caring. Quality is given kind, caring. My pillow is soft and fluffy. So soft, fluffy, both add something to the meaning of this pillow, my pillow. That is why both are adjective of quality. The countryside is beautiful and serene. So beautiful and serene both add something to the meaning of this countryside. That is noun. That is why these both are adjectives of quality. Let's do exercise. Find out adjectives of quality from the given sentences. Four sentences are given and you have to find out adjectives of quality from this. Do it now, then we will check. Hope you have finished. Let's check. Palak has a melodious voice. So here voice, that is noun, and melodious adds something to the meaning of this noun voice. That is why melodious, that is adjective of quality. The car stopped suddenly. It had a flat tire. So tire, that is noun, and flat, that is adjective of quality. The house had a spacious drawing room. So drawing room, this is noun, and spacious, this is adjective. So this shows adjective of quality. It was a dark and moonless night. So night, this is noun, and here dark, moonless, both are adjective of quality. Let's move to next, demonstrative adjectives. Demonstrative adjectives point to and indicate a specific person, place, animal or thing. They are this, that, these and those. If you ask which, you will get demonstrative adjectives. Let's see examples. This egg is rotten. See here. See, I have already explained all these things when we were doing adverbs. There also I explained. So this, THIS, this indicate only one thing in singular form and it is close or near. So for that you have to use THIS, this. This egg is rotten. Only talking about only one egg. Rotten. Okay. That is why this. That tree has shed all its leaves. Now see, that means it is far from you. Okay. Then it is only in singular form. Only then you need to use that. Third, these tomatoes are ripe. Okay. In plural form and near or close. Then you have to use THESE. These tomatoes are ripe. So here demonstrative, these, that, these. All these are called demonstrative adjectives. Now see. This is a picture book. I'll show you. Now see, this picture book is in my hand. So I will use THIS because I have it and it is very near to me. That's why I will use for this. This is a picture book and only one. That is why THIS this. Let's do exercise. Find out demonstrative pronoun from the following sentences. Here you will see this adjectives. Okay. Look at that picture. Second, third and this fourth. These four are given. These are demonstrative adjectives you have to find out. Do it now. Let's check answers. Look at that picture. So, that demonstrative adjective. Those parents in the meeting did not look pleased. So, those. Why is this room so dark? So, this. That is demonstrative adjective. These dogs have short tails. So, THESE, these, because plural form and near or close. That's why THESE. So, all these, that, those, THIS, these and THESE all are demonstrative adjectives. Here we end our session. Hope you liked it. We will meet in part 11 from the same series, the series of parts of speech, and we will continue with the same kinds of adjectives. So do watch, like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon. Happy New Year once again.